I slip across that fence line, pole and mag light, wear out them bass and crappie till the morning.
Reel all the slack out of it, okay? And I lift up like this. And as I'm going down, I'm reeling in slowly. And I lift back up. Not reeling when you go back up. Then you go back down. As you're going down, reel a little bit. Oh, got it. Not as big as the other ones. Alright guys, number what? 3 for the day? No, come on, fish. Hey, you gotta practice, son. You'll get one eventually. You'll get one. You'll get one. Hey, that attitude, you're not gonna catch nothing. There you go, y'all. He's a little bit bigger. He's a nice little chunky one. They're getting better, aren't they? Alright, let's go and go. Thank you. Oh, I hope I got that on video. That's the best today. There you go. You just gotta practice, eh? Right there, if you want to. Look, and sometimes I'll let mine sit there for a second, and then I'll start reeling again. Hey, I'm about to fix your pole, and I ain't got time to do it right now. We'll do it today when we get home. There you go. There you go. That's about where I caught that bass. You'll catch him, M.A.D. You just keep doing that, M.A.D, and practice, and you'll get the feel of it after a little while. You'll start understanding. What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Oh man, it's been a long day today. Went fishing this morning around, I don't know, got up about 6, got out there about 6:30, 6:45, somewhere around there. And it was cold, man. It was like 32 degrees. So I wasn't really expecting a whole lot, but I ended up catching, I think, 4 bass. Just little dinks. Now one of them was a okay size, still small, but bigger than the other ones that I caught. And then my son caught a little bass, and got back home, and my other son didn't want to get up, so he stayed home. Got home, and he was like, well, I wanted to go fishing, so got something to munch on, and we turned around and went back. So when we got back there, I ended up catching another little small dinky bass and a sunfish. So we only stayed for about an hour, and then we ended up leaving. But I got some video on my GoPro camera. Well, it's not a GoPro, it's a knockoff version of GoPro, but I got videos of it. So I'm going to go to Walmart here in just a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and buy that USB adapter so I can go ahead and upload it. For some reason, if y'all know anything about GoPros or these kinds of cameras, these action cameras, and how to download or how to connect it to the Wi-Fi, let me know in the comments, because I keep saying connected without internet. I don't know what I'm doing, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go find me a mount for my cell phone and just go ahead and record, you know, through my cell phone. So, because I get pretty good picture. It's S20 plus, so. But anyways, I got some pictures. If I can get this USB cord, I'll go ahead and, you know, upload those to my phone, and then I'll put them on YouTube so y'all can watch the videos. But anyways, that's all I got to say for right now. I know this is a short video. But hey, I come up with a new slogan, and it's a slogan every fisherman knows. But remember this, a bad day of fishing is always better than a good day at work. Y'all stay classy now, you hear?